You feel that heavy, tired sensation in your legs at the end of the day. Sometimes they tingle, sometimes they swell, and sometimes you wonder, is my circulation failing me? If your legs and feet feel cold, heavy, or numb, it's not just aging. It could be poor blood flow, and one powerful vitamin, backed by science, could help restore circulation from the inside out. Let me show you what it is, how it works, and how to use it to bring your legs back to life. Welcome back to the channel that uncovers the real, natural ways to heal your body. Today we're going deep into a condition that affects millions but gets ignored every day. Poor blood circulation in the legs and feet. Whether you feel tingling or pins and needles, numbness or cold feet, swollen ankles, cramps at night, or even varicose veins forming. All of these symptoms point to a circulatory system that's slowing down, especially in your lower limbs. But there's good news. New studies reveal that one specific vitamin, when taken correctly, can help. Dilate blood vessels, improve microcirculation, prevent blood clotting, and even strengthen your capillaries. We're going to break down what this vitamin is, how it improves circulation, how to take it properly, the signs your body needs it, and natural foods that enhance its effects. Let's get your blood flowing again, especially where it matters most. Blood circulation is your body's transportation system. Every second, your heart pumps 5 liters of blood through more than 100,000 kilometers of vessels, carrying oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and heat to every cell in your body. But as we age, or if we're sedentary, eat poorly, smoke, or have health conditions like diabetes or high cholesterol, this system starts to slow down, especially in the legs and feet, where gravity is already working against you. Poor circulation here can lead to cold feet, restless legs, cramps and pain, skin discoloration, slow wound healing, numbness, risk of clots, or even ulcers. The key to reversing this process isn't just exercise or compression socks, although they help. It's supporting the inner lining of your blood vessels, called the endothelium, and increasing nitric oxide availability, so blood can flow freely again. That's where the right vitamin makes all the difference. The best vitamin for leg and foot circulation. Vitamin K2, especially in the MK7 form. Most people think of vitamin K only in terms of blood clotting, but vitamin K2 is different. And its role in circulation is massive. Here's why. It activates proteins that move calcium out of your arteries and into your bones. Without K2, calcium hardens your blood vessels instead of strengthening your skeleton. It improves arterial flexibility. A study published in Thrombosis and Hemostasis showed that people who took K2 daily for 3 years had 50% less arterial stiffening compared to the placebo group. It reduces the risk of vascular calcification. This is critical for leg circulation because hardened arteries mean restricted blood flow to your limbs. It enhances nitric oxide production indirectly, helping relax and dilate blood vessels. And here's the kicker. Almost 97% of the Western population is deficient in K2, according to the European Journal of Nutrition. So yes, it's essential, and yet no one is talking about it. Now let's talk dosage and absorption. Best form, MK7, menaquinone 7. Due to its longer half-life in the body, recommended dose, 100 to 200 micro per day. Best time with your main fat-containing meal, preferably lunch or dinner. Combine with vitamin D3 and magnesium for synergistic effect. Avoid combining with blood thinners like warfarin unless your doctor advises. Remember, vitamin K2 is fat-soluble, so taking it with food enhances absorption dramatically. Consistency is key. Benefits build up over weeks. While supplementation is powerful, food sources matter too. The top sources of K2 include natto, fermented soy, extremely high. Grass-fed cheese, egg yolks, butter from grass-fed cows, chicken liver, fermented dairy products, kefir, aged cheese. If you can incorporate 1 to 2 of these daily, you're already making progress. How do you know you may be low in K2? Look out for these signs: leg cramps and tightness, cold feet, even indoors, slow wound healing, visible veins or spider veins, easy bruising, calcification in soft tissues, can be seen in imaging. Stiff joints or unexplained aches. These are early warnings, and the good news is, they're reversible. Cardiologist Dr. Kate Rayom-Blue, author of Vitamin K2 and the Calcium Paradox, says, Vitamin K2 is the missing link in cardiovascular health. Without it, calcium goes where it shouldn't, like your arteries and joints. With it, circulation improves and arteries regain flexibility. And in a 2017 meta-analysis from the Journal of Nutrition, K2 intake was strongly associated with reduced risk of arterial calcification, especially in peripheral arteries like those supplying the legs and feet. But here's what no one tells you. You can be taking calcium and vitamin D every day and still clog your arteries if you're not taking K2. Yes, you read that right. Calcium without K2 is like pouring cement into your arteries. But when you add K2 to the mix, your body redirects that calcium into your bones where it belongs. So if your legs feel heavy, swollen, or tired, and you're already taking vitamin D, this might be the piece you've been missing. Improving blood flow isn't just about physical relief. When circulation improves in your legs, you walk longer without fatigue. You sleep better without cramps. You feel lighter, more energetic, more alive. But it goes deeper. Better circulation means better oxygen to your brain, which means sharper focus, better mood, less anxiety, and a sense of confidence in your body again. Your feet carry you through life. It's time to give them what they need, to carry you with strength and ease. Let's recap. If your legs and feet feel heavy, cold, crampy, or swollen, going with mouth cramps, if you're taking calcium or vitamin D, GACs, and if you want to protect your arteries, improve your blood flow and regain mobility, then vitamin K2 is essential. Got over the cramps, take 100 to 200 micrograms daily. Mouth cramps, take in. Pair with D3 and magnesium. Eat more fermented foods and grass-fed products. Carla Cara. Be consistent for 4 to 8 weeks. Watch your legs come back to life. Carla Cara 7% of the cramps. Which symptom hit you hardest? Was it the cold feet, cramps, spider veins? Drop it in the comments below. We're building a real health community here. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for more science-backed health strategies, and share this with someone who needs better circulation today. Until next time, feed your arteries, love your legs, and walk freely again.